Hi guys, I'm Yupita who is running this channel. Firstly, please understand my pronunciation. English is not my mother tongue. Since I uploaded the video of the hidden blade, many people from various countries have watched them. Thank you, especially subscribers. You guys are the best gifts for me. As the first video of this new year, I will explain the internal structure of the hidden blade. Some people have replied to ask for the template regarding the previous video of the hidden blades. The hidden blade consists of the body, slide, spring, and blade. When the spring is pulled, the log is released, and the blade moves. The slide pulls the spring and unlocks the blade simultaneously. The sponge used for the log is just a simple makeup sponge, less than $1 each. Obviously, you will need the dimension and drawing for your own hidden blades. I disclose them here. You might have to grind and attach some parts if it is not moving well. This is the way life is. I also had a lot of trial and error. And the good news is, one of our subscribers have already created his own. Please don't hesitate to try it. See you in the next video. Thank you.